Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna tell you how to fix camera problem in your device Galaxy Z Fold 6. In this video, I'm gonna share few tips and tricks that you can use to fix it. If you found these tips helpful, press the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on new videos and stay updated. Let's get started.